How to delete followers on TikTok. First, open up the TikTok application on your phone to get started. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, tap on Followers to view your followers list. If you want to remove a follower from here, then tap on the three dots beside their name. Then, tap on Remove this follower. Tap on Remove again to confirm. You have now successfully removed this follower from your account. Following these steps, you can easily delete followers on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.